Nnamdi Kanu Now. Free Nnamdi Kanu Now. Nnamdi Kanu Now. Nnamdi Kanu Now. Free 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 Nnamdi Kanu Now. No market on Monday. No market on Monday. Free Nnamdi Kanu Now. No market on Monday. No market on Monday. No market on Monday. Free Nnamdi Kanu Now. Free Nnamdi Kanu Now. Free Nnamdi Kanu Now. No market on Monday. No market on Monday. Free Nnamdi Kanu Now. Free Nnamdi Kanu Now. Free Nnamdi Kanu Now. Free Nnamdi Kanu. Free Nnamdi Kanu. On Monday. No fear. Free Nnamdi Kanu Now. Free Nnamdi Kanu Now. Free Nnamdi Kanu Now. No market on Monday. Free Nnamdi Kanu Now. No market on Monday. Free Nnamdi Kanu Now. No market on Monday. Free Nnamdi Kanu Now. No market on Monday.
It should not be too high. It should not be too, you know, I'm short.
After speaking my dialect, you speak in English. They cannot say. The Igbos are not slave in this country. So, Igbos are slave from there. Igbos are slave from there. It is on Monday. very simple. Release President unconditionally. Yes. And allow him to control with his agitation. Yes. That's what we're doing. There too. All the people that are being unlawfully detained. If you go to DSS headquarters, there are some people that they have been here for 2 years, 3 years. There are people think that they are dead. They must open that place and release all of them. Yes! If you go to Wawa in Niger State, right? They will go and pick somebody from the east, they will go and pick somebody from the west, they will grab the person, NPOB, DSM member, and they took the person that place in that place. No access. It must stop on Monday. What are we saying? The listen from the Kanu! When? By 7 a.m. Everybody should be there. We're moving to Ashtags.
You know they did now. It's not there.
We have our media backup. Yes, so we have the agents here. The agents nobody will there. Yes, sir. Are we going to disappoint him? No! Are we going to disappoint him? No! Are you getting what I'm saying? Yes. Our liberation is on Monday. Our liberation is on Monday. Okay. Our brother, Barrister Kingdom, when we heard that we one day, one do. Because now they say to the two way. Igbo who's here, Nigeria. Okay, man. The federal government of Nigeria, the DSS, they know why they are holding our brother. Yes. Because the DSS is making over 500 billion naira each day on our account. Yes. Each day on our account. They will get you logistics, security to convert Nnamdi Kanu to court. The DSS is making 500 million each day on our account. And therefore, they don't want to release it so that the money will continue to flow in their hand. What about our governors, our politicians in the southeast? The more there is insecurity in the southeast, the more they are making more money. The more they are increasing their budget. That is why they want to spoil the entire southeast for us. Yes. That is why they don't want to release Nnamdi Kanu. So that there will be insecurity in the southeast and they will continue to make more money. And we are out to say that in this country, nobody is a second-class citizen. Nnamdi Kanu is not a second-class citizen. Now you're going to keep them not a second-class citizen. I will never live in a country where I will be a second-class citizen. It is better you give me a referendum and decide a country that will be my country, where I will be first-class citizen. And like every other person. Yes. The federal government of Nigeria cannot be making the bandits, sponsoring bandits, and calling a footy bandits. Yes. Now, Katsina State. Yes. Ebuka Obi AK-47. They come out and talk to the government and go back to the bush. Is this not the zoological republic? It is. And our brother who said the referendum, they are holding him. Yes. Meanwhile, they will bring bandits from the bush. They will hold meeting with them. They will allow them to smoke. It is not the country you want to live in. No!
Barrister Para.
Free Nnamdi Kanu now. I don't have much to tell you, but I know a principle in law because I'm always going to court every week. Yes. Last week they still charged me 3 times.
Thank you.
It's called the principle of double jeopardy. Anybody that has been tried for a crime before and the court has discharged and acquitted the person should not be brought back to court for the same crime again. Yes. That is why we are telling them that this trial is going nowhere. Yes. Because they keep saying that we should allow the law courts to do their work. Which are helping the courts to decongest the court of useless matters. Yes. One of which, number one useless matter in Nigeria is Nnamdi Kanu trial. Exactly. At the moment, it is most useless. Maybe my own, they have about 7 useless cases against me. But me, I'm ready for them anytime because they know me very well. Yes. And we are here to demystify the authorities who feel that they can jail somebody without trial, or who feel that those who are criminals are pardoned, while those who are innocent are jailed. Yes. Imagine Nigeria of today. Yes. And we don't want to lie about it. It is because he's an Igbo man. If it's Yoruba, where I come from, he will be free. So you go home. You don't go. As an instance. Even me myself, they hold me for 5 years. They release me. Let them discontinue this nonsense trial. By Monday, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to Aso Rock. Yes, we are going. Everybody, we are going to Aso Rock. And we are going to bring Nnamdi Kanu home. But I always tell them one thing: we don't have to wait till Monday. Yes, so we can do this weekend so that we can take this weekend and do party. Yes, so it is in their own interest not to disgrace themselves. Yes, sir. Because we are serious about occupying Aso Rock on Monday. Yes, so we already have over 1 million people who volunteered to come out on Monday. Yes, so some of them are flying in from abroad. Some of them are going to occupy everywhere in Lagos. I have already arrived. Have arrived from Senegal. I have arrived. Any country, any security agency that can hold meeting with bandits and terrorists should not have a problem with doing meeting with holy people. Yes, sir. It is not a crime to demand for self-determination. Yes. Nigeria has become like a bad marriage. Yes. Anybody who wants to divorce should be allowed to divorce. It's constitutional. And if you don't want divorce, behave yourself. And the only way to not want divorce is to do justice to everybody in the country. Everybody should be treated the same way. There are a lot of people who are also in detention, just being tagged ipob in this country. As we are speaking now, they are demolishing businesses and homes in Lagos. Yes. Based on ethnicity. I don't go lie to you, that is what that Sowore or Sowore go they do for Lagos. We are not going to accept or stand for injustice anymore. To an infinity. And I've told you, when we leave this place, you know the next people will come. Yes, we know them. Because they don't get work. Discourage you. Yes, come and discourage you. But don't forget, let me fight for police.